The 12 Archetypes, based on the research by Carol S. Pearson, PhD, Center for Archetypal Studies and Applications. Resources: Awakening the Heroes Within, and What Story Are You Living? Every era, or number one is the innocent. Every era has a myth of a golden age, of a promised land where life has been or will be perfect. The promise of the innocent is that life need not be hard. Within each of us, the innocent is the spontaneous, trusting child that, while a bit dependent, has the optimism to take the journey. The innocent, fearing abandonment, seeks safety. Their greatest strength is the trust and optimism that endears them to others and so gain help and support on their quest. Their main danger is that they may be blind to the obvious weaknesses or perhaps deny them. They can also become dependent on others to fulfill their heroic tasks. Goal is to remain in safety. Fear is abandonment. Dragon or the problem is deny it or seek rescue. Response to task is fidelity, discernment. Gift or virtue is optimism, trust, hope, faith, simplicity. Pitfalls: naivete, childish dependence, denial, obliviousness. Addictive quality: denial, addiction, consumerism, sugar, cheerfulness. Shadow side: evidence incapacity for denial so that you do not let yourself know what is really going on. You may be hurting yourself and others, but you will not acknowledge it. You may also be hurt, but you will repress that knowledge as well. Or you believe that what others say, even when their perspective is directly counter to your own inner knowing. Number two, the orphan. The orphan understands that everyone matters just as they are. Down home and unpretentious, it reveals a deep structure influenced by the wounded or orphan child that expects very little from life, but that teaches us with empathy, realism, and street smarts. The orphan, fearing exploitation, seeks to regain the comfort of the womb and neonatal safety in the arms of loving parents. To fulfill their quest, they must go through the agonies of the developmental stages they have missed. Their strength is the interdependence and pragmatic realism that they had to learn at an early age. A hazard is that they will fall into the victim mentality and so never achieve a heroic position. Goal is to regain safety. Dragon or problem is victimized by it. Response to task: process and feel painfully. Gift or virtue in their interdependence, realism, resilience, empathy. Pitfalls: cynicism, tendency to be the victim or victimized, chronic complaining. Addictive quality: cynicism, addiction, powerlessness, worrying. Shadow side: the victim who blames his or her incompetence, irresponsibility, or even predatory behavior on others and expects special treatment and exemption from life because he or she has been so victimized or is so fragile. When the shadow of the positive orphan is in control of our lives, we will attack even people who are trying to help us, harming them and ourselves simultaneously. Or we may collapse and become dysfunctional. You can't expect anything from me. I'm so wounded, hurt, incompetent. That's the term of the orphan as their shadow side. Next is the sage and other part 2. Maybe tomorrow or